Good morning, student. How are you? Revision in chemistry. Just I am going to focus about main points of the chapter periodic table. In periodic table, you know that this periodic table classify this one on the basis of block, that is S block, P block, D block, and here that one will be F block elements. The elements S block element are mostly active metal, in that alkali metals and alkali earth metal. In S block is coming alkali metal and alkali earth metal. Why they are called alkali metals? In that you know that lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. These are the elements of first A group. Elements of first A group. What I say? First one, you know the position of hydrogen. That is in a periodic table. First A group with alkali metals and seventh A group with halogen, means 17th group. Why they are called alkali metal? Because they react with water and form strong alkali, highly react with water. So they are called alkali metals. That elements are lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. And you remember that cesium is the most electropositive elements in whole periodic table. Which one? Cesium is the most electropositive elements in whole periodic table. So I am not going to teach the chapter, only I am going to focus about the main points. See that according to modern periodic law, Mendeleev periodic law, you know that Mendeleev periodic law. Why? Suppose that if one class there are students of first standard, second standard, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven, eight, up to 10th standard, then you know that it is very difficult for the teacher to manage the class, because they are different standard, their thinking level are also different. Then how teacher we will manage the class? It means we need classification. Classification means we need class, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and so on. So that in whole periodic table, the different elements are there. That element classify into group and period. In total periodic table, seven horizontal row, that one known as period, and 18 vertical column, that are called group. What are the periods and group? In periodic table, 7 horizontal row known as periods and 18 vertical column known as a group. You know that in first period it's having only two elements, second period 8, third also 8, fourth 18, fifth 18, 6, 32, seventh one incomplete, means 19 you can say that, but it is incomplete. This one is called shortest period, shortest. This one is called short period. This one is known as long. This one is called longest. This one incomplete. What is use of this I will explain later, but I am going to focus about the Mendeleev periodic law. Mendeleev arranged the elements increasing order of atomic weight. You know atomic weight is atomic number. Total number of proton and neutron present in the nucleus of an atom known as atomic number. Mendeleev arranged the elements in increasing order of atomic weight. Total number of proton and neutron present in the nucleus of an atom is called atomic mass or atomic weight. Only total number of proton present in the nucleus, that is called atomic number, and proton and neutron commonly called nucleon. You know this about that. So Mendeleev arranged the elements in increasing order of atomic weight. He finds some periodicity in the elements. What is the meaning of periodicity? It means that after regular interval of time, there will be similarities in their properties. After regular interval of time, there will be similarity in the properties. So what law Mendeleev given? Physical and chemical properties. This is a periodic law of the by Mendeleev. Physical and chemical properties of an element or the of an elements is the periodic function of their atomic weight. What I say? Physical and chemical properties of an element is the periodic function of their atomic weight. But modern periodic law, that is modern periodic law, that based on the increasing order of atomic number. So only little big change in Mendeleev periodic law and modern periodic law. He said that modern periodic law, it states that physical and chemical properties of an element are the periodic function of their atomic number. In Mendeleev only atomic weight, in modern atomic number. Clear? Now some periodic properties I have written. Atomic radius or atomic size, ionization potential, that is called IP, electron affinity, that is called EA, electron negativity, and non-metallic character and metallic character. These 4 points are important. What is atomic radius? The distance from center to the outermost cell, that is called atomic radius or atomic size. Next one, ionization potential. Suppose that in your class different students are there, some are strong, some are weak. Suppose that if you are entering in the class, you want to sit, so that you want one empty space and seat already packed. Okay, means everybody is sitting and no teacher in the class. So to whom you will remove easily? Say, please go away. Stronger or weaker? I hope that weaker you can say that. Stronger you can't find. Okay? Because amount of energy required to remove electron from isolated gaseous atom. Total amount of energy released required to remove electron from isolated gaseous atom, that is called ionization potential. Next one, electron affinity. Suppose you are walking. You are walking on the road, you have no money in your pocket. Suddenly you see that 2000 rupees. Nobody here and there. So that we will take. If anybody is there, then you ask, sir, your money is this? So when you got that money, you feel some happiness. Means amount of energy released when an atom accepts electron and form anion. Anion means negative charge ion. Amount of energy released when an atom accepts electron to become anion. See that? An atom accept electron and form what? Ion. Negative charge ion. That is called electron affinity. Electron negativity. It is a tendency of an atom to attract electron itself to form a compound. This electronegativity is a condition. Now, some law is given, and in this chapter, maximum variation are given. Suppose that if teacher will give some element and say that write in increasing order of ionization potential, decreasing order of electron affinity, increasing order of electronegativity. For that, I would like to suggest how can you remember this one. I hope that in chemistry you have remembered the all elements of first period, second period and third period. And which group you have to remember? You have to up to 10th class I am saying that. This is your portion. Alkali metal and second A, alkali earth metal. Afterwards nitrogen family, oxygen family, halogen and noble gases. And different way for the remembering. You can use your own method, but you have to remember that one. Suppose the atomic number of chlorine is 70. electronic configuration will be 287. See that if number of the electron in the valence shell is 4, 5, 6, 7, it means that is a non-metal. This is a non-metal. Valency will be 1. Position in the periodic table 1, 2, 3 means period third 1, 2, 3 KLM 1, 2, 3 period third and group will be group 17th या 7th A group or 17th group. Means with the help of electronic configuration you can find the position of an element in the periodic table. I was discussing about variation in your book, page number 15, 15. Page number 15, 15, only 15, third and fourth table third and table fourth. See that reason for trace the periodic property across the period. What happens when we move left to right in the periodic table? Remember that metallic character will be decreased and non-metallic character will be increased. Why? That reason is given here. When we move in periodic table left to right, their metallic character decrease, non-metallic character increase except noble gas. See here, atomic size across the period decrease, ionization potential increase, electron affinity increase, electronegativity increase, non-metallic character increase, metallic character decrease. You see that only when we move left to right, only atomic size and metallic character decrease, remaining are increase. Why atomic size decrease? Because nuclear charge increase. In video or PDF, Anwar sir had discussed about that, so I am not going to discuss. Only remember that when we are moving left to right in the periodic table, atomic size decrease and metallic character decrease, remaining other properties increase. Why atomic size decrease? Because nuclear charge increase. Reason is that. Next question, when you move top to bottom in the periodic table, top to bottom, so what happens? See that atomic size increase, ionization potential decrease, electron affinity means here written means only atomic size and metallic character increase, other properties decrease. So if you remember this table and if you remember the elements of the first A group, second A group, S block and P block, easily you can give the answer of that. And you remember that elements in the period first only 2 elements, hydrogen and helium, and second period only 8 elements, third period and 8 elements. And you know that the elements of the period second and third having diagonal relationship, so that elements also known as bridge elements. Thank you. Have a nice day.